Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned
all over the world, baby.
It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable.
Trekking through the middle of Vanuatu and the rain has just absolutely poured down. It's absolutely bucketing down on us. Just follow me. We'll use the canopy from the trees as a bit of an umbrella. It won't work too well, especially in this rain, but we'll get through it.